watch this video and you'll see how to build one of. You see, the simplest trick is to put first you put this piece on, then add one of these pieces on it as well. It's a bit hard to get on though. Then you add this piece on around, probably you should add it around. You'll see around here. You'll see there's these pieces I can connect it to. Well, it's a bit hard to get on sometimes. Sometimes you can get, it will be harder for you to get on. I'm a professional Lego builder. So let me just rebuild this piece. You see it? You see it now? Ta-da! Magic! And then, bam! Then finally, in there, and then that's how you make one of these. One of those little strange cars into one of those. And